Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious hot chocolate at home. It's so easy to make, I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. To get started, I have 2 cups of whole milk here in my saucepan and I've already warmed it up. It's not blazing hot, it's just warm. You want it hot enough to melt our chocolate. I've got 1 cup of milk chocolate that I'm going to go ahead and add to this. Now my heat is not on. I'm just gonna let this chocolate melt from the heat of the milk itself and give it a light stir in a couple of minutes. While that's melting, I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of sugar and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder to it. And while I'm mixing, I'm gonna take a pinch of salt and add that in there as well. You want to do a tiny pinch, not a big pinch. Now the reason you want to go ahead and add these together now is that once we go ahead and add that to our liquid, that cocoa powder won't have the urge to clump. The sugar helps keep it separated so it'll all be nice and smooth. For the most part, my chocolate is all melted. I've got a few little tiny pieces in here, and for that I'm just going to cut my heat back on low and I'm going to let this cook until those pieces are gone. I'm also gonna go ahead and add my sugar and cocoa powder, and then I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you just wanna warm this on low until all of the sugar is dissolved as well as the chocolate. So my hot chocolate is all ready. It's simmered on low for maybe about 2 minutes, and it's deepened in color and flavor as well as dissolved all that chocolate and sugar. Now I'm ready to pour it into my cup. And this recipe makes 2 cups of hot chocolate. Oh, that looks so just divine. And it's a little thick, but not too thick. It's got a little chocolate flavor in there that's deep, and the salt adds a little more flavor. I like to top off my hot chocolate with a little bit of whipped cream. And you know, I love a cinnamon stick, so I'm gonna put a cinnamon stick in here. Go, that looks so cute. I'm also gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top because I like my hot chocolate with a little cinnamon. Of course, you don't have to do that, but it's something that I really enjoy. Now, if you're ready to serve your hot chocolate, make sure you take it off the heat, or you can leave it on warm on your stove. So at the lowest possible eye temperature on your stove, you can leave it there for a little while, but you wanna be careful not to leave it there too long, okay? Now it's time to taste it. So delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. And thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday.